Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? And the same time, my brother, all currencies is very badly fails down. But I have special good news is for all of you, my brother. We predicate this one video technical analysis, and at the end, my friend, I will give you a very good profit now. So, my brother, at the same time, absolutely the eggs are free completely and the loss now. So let's see, my brothers, to what he said, and after that, my friend, we talk now. So this time, my brother, exactly, my friend, the condition is very critical now. Yes, my brother, and last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, my friend, you can see here, last 1 hour, last 1 day, they are lost. But in only, my friend, just in only last 7 days, you can see here, this coin is in the profit. And definitely, my friend, I'm going to hit now. But please, Vechain holder, if you hold it in the same time, so I hope the price will be increasing now. But I don't know what's the reason, my friends, to you go on and sell it Vechain, because, my brother, in the start of month, every coin holder are starting selling. I will tell you, my brothers, to Vechain is not good for short term investor, remember, and not good for long term. I hope, my brother, upcoming time the price will be increasing if you hold it. So why you cannot hold it? I hope the price will be give you a very good for. So see you next time. My prediction absolutely very important now. So let's predicate this coin. But kindly, please, my brother, like this video and also press the bell icon. My brother, in the current condition, you can say last 1 day chart is on the screen, and this time, my brother, this coin is completely in the loss. So what's the reason? The main reason, my friend, absolutely, but this time, my brother, this coin is in the loss. So I hope upcoming time the price will be increasing and they will give you a very good profit. See you next time, holder. Please, upcoming time there is a lot of chances the price will be moving upward. Please hold it. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.